How are you, friends? My name is Lindan and I am from Pakistan. You know why I am titled or given the name of Lindan? Because of my sports skills, because I love to play badminton. Now I am in the North Campus of Northwest Agriculture and Forestry University, and it is a very beautiful and huge campus. Hey, we are now going towards the College of Animal Science and in my laboratory. Let's go!
Lindan is currently attending the 1,000 Talents Plan Agricultural Training Program for Pakistan at Northwest A&F University. Before coming to China, Lindan worked as a technical management professional in the agricultural sector for the Pakistani federal government.
So in past 1.5 months, we have visited and learned some very good information about the China's livestock industry, and especially if we say that how China has hybridized their local nondescript and low producing sheep and goat breeds to convert them into the efficient milk producers to ensure the food security of China. And we will use this information and new knowledge to improve the food security of Pakistan in terms of livestock production.
The Pakistan Agriculture 1,000 Talents Program Training Project is a concrete measure to implement the consensus between the leaders of China and Pakistan on strengthening agricultural cooperation. On April 18th, the first phase of the training commenced at Northwest A&F University and Yangaling Vocational and Technical College, with 300 Pakistani agricultural technicians receiving professional instruction from Chinese experts in areas such as seed production and processing technology, as well as efficient irrigation systems.
We are learning about new technologies and modern systems for the disease surveillance and monitoring. These modern systems and technologies will help us to implement in Pakistan to control zoonotic diseases and other diseases.
We also learn every type of advanced techniques and delivering demonstration, field activities, and all these things are very helpful for us. They will help us to deliver this kind of knowledge to farmers and same as in departments.
My feelings about China and my experience till now, it has been 1.5 months. It's very good. Chinese people, they are very nice, very helpful. I'm having a very great time.
Apart from my studies, I also want to learn Chinese language, culture and history, because I want to take the scientific knowledge, cultural knowledge and historical knowledge to my country to build the stronger relations between Pakistan and China. And Pakistan and China are not just friends, they are ironclad brothers. Watsa Shanxi Ting Hotsa.
Watcha Shanxi Ting Hao-da.
Wansa Shansi Ting Hao Da.
Warsha Shansi Tin Hauda.
Watsa Shanxi Ting Hao Da.